In this video, I will show you how to upgrade to Windows 11 on unsupported CPUs. When upgrading to the latest version of Windows 11, you might see an error message because your CPU is not supported. You can find more details about this using the PC Health Check app. If you try to upgrade using the Windows 11 Installation Assistant, you may get this error and be unable to continue. Also, the option to upgrade to Windows 11 will not show up in Windows Update. So, to upgrade to Windows 11 on unsupported CPUs, we need to do an in-place upgrade with an ISO installation file. First, go to the official Windows 11 download website. Scroll down to find the option to download the Windows 11 ISO. This next step is very important. You must choose the language for the ISO that matches the language your Windows system is currently using. If you choose a different language, when you upgrade, the option to keep your data, settings, and apps will not be available. For example, this computer is set to English United States, so I will choose English US for the ISO file. Once that's done, let's mount the downloaded file to your computer. Next, instead of opening the setup.exe file directly, let's select it. After selecting it, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and right-click on the file. Then, choose Copy as Path to copy the full location of the file. Now, search for CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Right-click inside the Command Prompt window to paste the file path we copied. Now, type this command to upgrade to Windows 11 and bypass all the system requirements. You might see a title that says Install Windows Server, but don't worry, Windows 11 will actually be installed. During the upgrade, make sure to select the option to keep your files, settings, and apps. This will make sure everything is saved. Finally, click Install to start the upgrade. It might take up to an hour to finish. Your computer will restart a few times during the process, so please be patient. As you can see, the computer has now been successfully upgraded to Windows 11. All your files and installed programs are still here. Also, after upgrading, if you decide you don't like Windows 11 within the first 10 days, you can easily go back to the previous version without losing any data or needing to install everything again. This is possible as long as the Windows.old folder is still on your system drive. This folder is automatically removed after 10 days, which is why you have this limited time to go back. To go back, let's open Windows Settings. Select the System section. Scroll down and choose Recovery. Click the Go Back button to return to your previous version of Windows. If the 10-day period is over or the Windows.old folder is deleted, the Go Back button will be disabled. If you want to go back, you will need to do a clean installation. You can click No Thanks to skip checking for updates right now. Click Next to continue. If you recently changed your sign-in password, after going back to the previous version, You will need to use your old password to log in, not the new one you set. Finally, click Go back to earlier build to finish the process. Your computer will restart automatically, and this may take some time, so please be patient. As you can see, the system has been successfully switched back to previous version without losing any of your data or needing a full reinstallation. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next videos.